get a start up for y'all. That baby's spinning. Tez, we back with another banger today, and we got the single turbo 335 here, as you can see ahead of me. What we're gonna be doing today is swapping out this hood for another hood over there, because as you can see, this hood is gone. This hood is over with. Hood is gone. This hood flew back up on me. It pretty much was like backwards like this. So what I did was I took a hammer just to keep it on there, because I can't drive with no hood, and it's been raining a lot here in Georgia. So for the time being, what I'm going to do is just put this it's a cutout. This hood has a cutout that I'm about to replace it with, but I'm just going to try to probably maybe put like a, I don't know, I forgot what it's called, bro, but eventually later down the line I'm gonna do that and try to put like something over it, because this is the hood that I'm about to swap it with right here. This hood is fine, ain't nothing really wrong with it outside of this right here, these cutouts right here. I don't know if y'all can see it good, but yeah, outside of that, I don't know who did this to this hood, but this car had an on-3 single turbo kit on it. I guess they was trying to do like a hood exit, or I don't know, but I'll try to put like something on the hood to get something custom with it. But anything is better than the way that this hood is looking, bro. I can't really be driving around. It's bad enough that the side looked like that, and it cracked the windshield when it flew up on me, as y'all can see. Cracked the windshield pretty bad, but at least it didn't go through, no holes or nothing. I really want to apologize for like the lack of uploads. I know the last video that I uploaded was probably like 2 weeks or so ago, but we've been having a lot of bad luck and BS happen to me. So yep, this is the kit right now. Well, right here, if you don't know, I have a JP Works manifold, dual tile wastegates, and a board running a Borg Warner. I don't know, people told me it's a 70 millimeter. It looks pretty big. Nah, yeah, that junk big. Yeah, that turbo big, bro. And I tell people, like the people I meet in person, you know, if you see me out and about, don't be afraid to speak, man. I love talking about the vehicle, love talking, you know, chopping it up. I ran into somebody with an E92. He pulled over, we chopped it up, and he was like, man, that's crazy. I was just watching your videos earlier when I was at work, and on the way home from work, I see you. He was like, it's crazy. So yeah, that's what we about to be doing. This hood is absolutely destroyed. We're gonna swap this over. I'm gonna time lapse everything, and I can possibly put like a vent. That's what I was trying to think of. I was having a brain fart. I could possibly put like a vent on this and get this done for the time being, but I can't, bro. I can't do this hood no more. That was just like my last straw, like that it flew up the second time and I had to hit it, and it's all, nah, bro. It's bad enough the side looking like that, but all of this stuff is gonna be taken care of. I plan on replacing this front bumper, but I gotta go through this whole process with the state and everything after the accident. Everything is coming to a close with the insurance. They finally, after 4 months, finally trying to fix what they were, you know, what they did, bro. So let's get to it. I'm done talking, man. Let's get it. All right, that wasn't that bad. We got the hood off. Clapped hood right there. Let me see. Just set this up. Best bet probably like right there. transfer over my hardware over to the new one. This is the new one right here. I need to take this off, but I guess that can stay for now. I don't really care. Let's get to it. All right, so we just finished that up. Let's see if we can get these to sit on here. Nice little hood swap. I don't plan on leaving this hood the same color because this is a space gray metallic. So I'm gonna just get like some hood vents, see if I could get like a custom hood vent to go on there. Probably hit somebody up to get that done. But anything, I mean anything was better than this, what I had on here, bruh. Anything was better than this, bruh. I don't care if it was a different color or what. But my ultimate plans is to put like a CSL, like a CSL hood on here, like the M3 one with the scoop on it. That's like my ultimate goal. What the hell, I got it down. What's the name on me? Spiderweb. But yeah, so this the hood. The hood is on. Let me see if it'll close. I haven't test fitted it to see if it'll close. Closes. Fitment on that side is decent. The gaps on that side is bad. I'm gonna have to adjust the fender, but I'm gonna do all that when I replace the hood and everything. Just as long as I got this hood on there, I'm happy. I'm happy, bro. I really don't need nothing else, to be honest, because that hood was really pissing me off. And I had some cookies at a country. Yeah, so that's it. What else do I gotta do? Is there anything else that I have to do? Why do I feel like I got something else that I need to do? Yeah, like I said, this front bumper is being replaced. This whole process, bruh, but that drunk driver that hit me in April, y'all don't even know the half, bro. I didn't document or film none of that. It was just BS on top of BS. But it is what it is, you know. Life goes on. You gotta take your punches, take your L's, and make the best out of them, you know. You feel me? So in life you're gonna get thrown a lot of curveballs, but it's how you handle the curveballs, and it's the ultimate, you know, outcome. But yeah, I think this is it, bro. I think this is gonna wrap up this video. Like I said, bro, I don't know if it's something that I'm missing or what. It should close. This one closed, this side didn't. So I gotta adjust that. That one closed. That one closed good. Alright, why isn't this closing? I'm guessing that this got to come out like this. There we go. There we go. So now the only thing, oh, that's what I had to do. I gotta swap over my BMW logo from the other hood. So let's do that. Yeah, so let me see if I can try to, I'm gonna wrap this hood anyway, so. I need like a rag. This'll do. Trunk dirty. I don't really care. Like I said, this car is going through. September come, you're gonna see a whole different vehicle. So I'm not really worried about that. Damn, I dug in. That's not bad. I need something to get behind it. I can't really. All right, so I had like a little tool back there. Hopefully I can smooth this out. I'm not really gonna notice it. And you just put that in like that. There you go. Now you got a BMW logo. Cool. So it doesn't look bad. You can't really tell like that the color is off until you like get up close to it, because I think this is like the color before the sparkling graphite metallic, but it looks a hell of a lot better than whatever that thing is back there. So that's what we're gonna rock out with. We got a hood, what do you call this? I don't even know. I'll probably think of it another time around, but yeah, my future plans with this is to get this vented. But this is definitely gonna shoot. My car might run a lot cooler because this is right there, but like I'm gonna have to cover it up whenever it rains. I'm not gonna be able to drive the car when it rains because water is gonna get in. But it's better than having that hood, bro. I couldn't do that, bro. I really couldn't. But other than that, I think that might conclude this video. I appreciate everybody for stopping by this video, showing love, showing support. Comment down below y'all setups that y'all got for y'all cars, what y'all future plans with y'all 335s, or what. It doesn't even have to be a 335. I just want to know, you know, what y'all future plans to do with y'all cars. So other than that, I think that's gonna do it. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. I'll be lit over that way. We got like almost 2 million views on Instagram alone. We just hit 4K on there. Follow me on there. And yeah, bro, so be on the lookout. I'm gonna be hitting y'all with more back-to-back fire updates. But yeah, let's get it. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Let's go.